Hey there, I remember you. How's everyone doing? So I'm back in Baguio, and we're back in Baguio for we've been away for about 6 months, and the truth is I haven't been doing any flying. That's why there hasn't been a lot of videos or updates in the past 6 months, because we were in Albay, Bicol for the past 6 months. And the reason we were there is because me and my wife took over from a business that we got from her cousin's fiance who sadly passed away. So we tried, running it a couple more months to see if it was viable to stay there and run the business. But it was great spending 6 months over there in Albay. The place was beautiful and there were a lot of nice places to see. So operations-wise, the business was doing okay, I guess, especially during the holiday seasons. But ultimately, we decided that it was time to close it down, and the place just wasn't for us. So we wanted to go back here, and unfortunately, that resulted in a loss because we had to, close it down. It would have been a bit more profitable to stay, but sometimes decisions aren't purely financial. So we're here, back at my old workshop. Everything is still pretty much, the way I left it. Most of my tools I didn't bring. So there's still a lot of projects in this room. There is a just a sneak peek. There is a Delta printer that's just waiting to be built. There are a couple of more stuff in here that just needs to be that I just need to continue. Budget-wise, it's not a very good time for me, but it doesn't mean that there's not going to be a lot more videos this year. In fact, I have a long list of backlogs which I am hoping to get to, and I think this would give me an opportunity to do just that. So do expect a lot more videos this coming year. My old reliable King Rune K3PS is still here. Probably just needs a little bit more greasing. There's some weird gunk in that bearing, but yeah, I just have to clean that up and retune it. And let's see, my filaments need to be dried. It's very humid here in Baguio, so I left it with a ton of desiccants, but those gel beads are already blue. I can recharge this in the microwave, but overall I need to dehydrate all of these using my dehydrator. So yeah, this is my Atom RC Dolphin, which I got last year and still haven't gotten around to building this thing. But yes, this year 2025, do expect that we will be having some planes on this channel. Down here, my resin printer is still the way I left it. It still has some resin in the vat, but yeah, it's gotten a little bit dirtier here. But yeah, I'll just have to clean this workstation up and we'll be back to printing. Heading back up, this is my portable generator which I bring everywhere. It's currently at 28.4 and it's charging with the solar panels, which I have quickly just put that on the roof. And this one, I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put this. But yeah, I haven't edited the video for this, but it's been serving me for around 1.5 years already and still going strong. Very useful, especially during power outages. And our two dogs are certainly loving the weather, so they are very happy that they are back here in Baguio and not in the hot and humid temperatures of Albay. So that's it. I just wanted to show you a couple of updates, life updates. Also, I have blue hair. See? Right, so I just wanted to show you some updates about what's been going on in our lives for the past 6 months. But we have a lot of projects upcoming, and I have a lot of video ideas. So it's just a matter of just putting them into Adobe Premiere and getting them edited, which is harder than it sounds. But yeah, harder for me than it sounds, because I have ADHD, just so you know. Yes, and I am officially diagnosed as someone with ADHD. Been living with it since 2017. Well, I've been diagnosed in 2017, but I've been living it for far longer. Just didn't know the name that I could put onto my condition. But yeah, that's it. So I do hope that if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out a lot of new content this year. And if you are a long-time subscriber, or even if you just subscribed recently, and I really do appreciate it a lot. And I'm going to be leaving you with that. This is just a quick update on what's been going on. So as always, keep building and keep flying.